Want to scrape product data from any Shopify store? Install Shopify Store Scraper from the Chrome Web Store. It's free. Navigate to any Shopify store. The extension auto-detects it and shows the product count. Click Start Scraping. The extension fetches every product through Shopify's public API, titles, prices, variants, images, all of it. Watch the progress in real time. You can pause and resume anytime without losing data. Scraping complete. Here's the summary: products, variants, and images. Click Download CSV to export in Shopify's 48-column format. You can import it directly into your own store. Free users can export up to 100 rows. Pro unlocks unlimited export, Excel format, and image downloads. Get Shopify Store Scraper free from the Chrome Web Store. Link in the description.